Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Mortgages by Miles channel. My name's Miles. I'm the owner of Superior Lending. Been in the business for 23 years. So you're thinking about getting into some home ownership. What an exciting journey. It's a great pathway to be on. Where do you start and what does it all mean? So today we're going to look at some of the different levels of pre-qualification versus pre-approval versus conditionally approved. And we're going to teach you what those all mean in this short video. The goal behind this, every step of the way, is to be able to help you know how much you qualify for, what your monthly payment is going to look like, what your closing costs are going to be like, and what your interest rate is. Obviously, monthly payment and interest rate correlate there. But let's start first with our first level. And this is kind of what ignites or gets the spark going in the home buying process. And that's a pre-qualification. And this can be a super quick phone call with a lender like me. In here, what we do is we typically do a soft credit pull so we know where your credit score sits and we know what kind of debts you have. We then also will ask questions about your income, and we then come up with what's known as a debt to income ratio, or how much of your income goes to pay your current debts that you have, your monthly payments, and what the new mortgage will be. With that, we can help determine how much you can qualify for, and then in turn, we're able to tell you what your monthly payment looks like. With that in hand, we can issue a pre-qualification letter. And the pre-qualification letter can get you out shopping and looking at homes, and in some cases, even going under contract. Okay. If you are self-employed, we need to go a step further, and we encourage all of our clients to go to the next step. It's a higher and more solid level, and that's the pre-approval. In the pre-approval, we do a hard credit pull. We do it from all three bureaus, so we know for sure that we have the right credit scores. And we have the client provide to us all of the loan documents that we need. What's included in those that we typically need? 2 months of bank statements, 2 years of W-2s, 1099s, a divorce decree if applicable. We need 2 years of tax returns. We need a driver's license or passport. With those, we can go into detail and give you a real solid answer on if you qualify or not, or what those numbers look like. We take this and we put it on into a full loan application, and then we run it through an automated system that's going to evaluate all your information and tell us if you're approved or not. That automated underwrite is what we call it, then allows us to issue a pre-approval. It's a much more solid and definite approval over what a pre-qualification is. But there's still yet another level to that. And it's taking all those same things, and this is the one that is the most solid of all, especially if you're a self-employed borrower, is that we have an underwriter review your file. And they then issue what we call a conditional approval. Is conditional because there are still requirements left to get the file ready, clear to close, but we've done everything in the pre-qualification, the pre-approval. We've automated underwrote the file, and now we have an underwriter who reviews all that and verifies all that. If you have a conditional approval from an underwriter, that is a really high level, solid approval that your loan's going to get done. Now, typically, we follow all those steps through with all of our clients, and we do quick pre-qualifications for them. And if they have great credit scores, great income, great debt ratios, their down payments verified, they're great to get out and shop for a home. If you're self-employed, we want to dig in further, and we want to make sure that we're looking at your tax returns. Or maybe if your credit score is a little bit lower, we want to dig in further and more deeper before you go out and go shopping for a home. I hope this helps you today understand the differences and the level of assurance that they give you on having your loan approved. pre-qualification, pre-approval, conditionally approved. We're always here to help. We're licensed and able to do loans in all 50 states. Thanks for watching this video.